What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be another great install from our friends over at Tesstudio. We're going to be installing a screen rotating bracket. Now, this is going to allow your screen to go 40 degrees left and right and 40 degrees up and down instead of just being stagnant, dull, and boring. So let's get outside, unbox this thing, and get it installed.
We're going to have the instructions, of course, in English. Trim piece removal tool. The various tools you're going to need to remove all the screws that are involved. Your screws for your new rotating bracket. Your plastic trim piece for your new bracket. Plastic trim piece for the back of your screen. A new plastic cover for your sensor on the back of the screen. And your brand new rotating bracket. So before we do anything, we are going to power off the vehicle. Settings, safety, scroll all the way down till you find power off. And then you're going to want to remove the temperature sensor that is underneath. Set that aside. And then you have two bolts on the bottom. One. Once your two screws are out, pull the screen off to remove it and place your screen on a towel for safety to prevent scratches or cracks. Now this is what the area where my old swivel mount is located. On the back of the screen, you're going to have two screws on the left side and right side. You're going to remove those in order to take off this plastic casing so that you can detach your screen by unplugging this wire. One fully removed Tesla Model 3 screen. From there, we are going to remove our plastic mount cover. One screw here, one screw there. And a good way to get this mount cover off, if you have a tilt screen on here and you're replacing your old one, just turn it to the side a little bit and you can get that off. Boop. Once your plastic mount cover is off, you're going to have two bolts here, left and right side, to remove those to take this old rotating bracket out, or your OEM out. It's the same way. If you have your own tools, a regular socket wrench will work as well, but I'm going to use their tools to show you that you can do it with their tools that they provide also. It should pop out. Just like that. Old mounting bracket out. Time for the new one. Insert the OEM mounting bracket into the holes here and use the OEM bolts that came with your original screen to secure it. Make sure these are nice and tight. Once you've inserted your new mounting bracket, you're going to take your new plastic trim piece. There we go. Just like that. And thread the wires through so it sits nice and flush on the front and the sides. Go, and then use your OEM screws to tighten it down. Next up, we're going to take the plastic trim piece that goes on the screen, thread our screen wire through, and mount it via the two screws. Now we plug in our screen. Before you want to do that, you're going to thread your wire through the plastic trim piece because that will be next. So plug in your screen. Make sure it is nice and secure. Just like that. And we take our plastic trim piece there and we'll screw in our bolts on the left and right. There we go. And then from there, we're going to tilt it upwards so we can have access to the 2 bolts on the bottom. The new bolts are in, screen is secure. Make sure these are nice and tight because again, you don't want your screen shaking as you drive. Now that the screen is on and secure, we have to detach the temperature sensor and apply it to the new plastic trim piece that goes with the swivel mount. And you're gonna have 2 screws. Go easy on these plastic pieces because they can break. I've had that happen before and it is no fun. So just take your time and don't over tighten these. And then plug it back in. And you now have a fully installed tilting screen. Up and down, left and right. And just like that, we've installed a fully functioning tilting mount for my Tesla Model 3. They also have this for the Y, the Juniper, and the 3 Highland. So many options for you guys out there, and I really enjoyed this. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you love it? Is this something that you would like to add? I also have a discount code in the description because I like to save everybody a little bit of money. And if you guys need installs in the SoCal area, you know where to find me, M3Jazz on Instagram. I do all sorts of installs for the products that I have made videos about. And like always, be blessed, take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.